Hi guys, here's BLC. Today I will introduce this Tesla style screw special for Porsche Panamera 2010 to 2016 years. This aftermarket Tesla style screw, touch screw. Okay, let me unbox review. This Panamera Snapdragon RAM 4GB and 64GB. Okay. Okay, this is head unit, and this is special harness. Let me show harness it first. You can check their special harness. It's already built in the canvas decoder box. This two different harness and cable. You can connector and pin connection. Okay, there this camera input and audio AUX output. And this can system and illumination. This white brake back do not need a connection, brake wire, and those speakers. Those speaker wire. This is ACC 12 voltage. K1 for steering wheel controls. This is for the speakers. Okay. And this one same wire. But they are just AUX input, left and right, and camera input. This is button lights, illumination, K2 for steering wheel controls, and this speaker wires, and back this AC wire, 12 voltage. Okay, and this 4G antenna. 4G antenna and external microphone, and let me show this. This for the camera adapter. This camera input. You can check RC type. This back wire and CCD camera power 12 voltage. This GND wire. This power about 5, and this radio antenna, and the GPS antenna, and this Wi-Fi. I'll connect back there to USB, and this USB connection. Connect on back of head unit. This original USB, you can check. It's factory USB, and this 4G. SIM card slot, you can check. 4G SIM card slot. Okay, and this Mac thing. Okay, this for fiber optic adapter. Fiber optic, and this is for subwoofer. You can check subwoofer, and AUX video out 1 and video out 2, and this AUX input, and AUX left and right, front, rear, and for audio. Okay. You can check this parts. And this head unit. You can check the head unit back. This power, this fuse, radio antenna, this is CAN USB, and audio connection, and this FM radio. This fiber optic, this radio FM, this 4G Wi-Fi GPS. You can check. And the side. Tesla's style screw, you can check. Okay, that's all. Thank you.